In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to create and edit PowerPoint presentations. So without wasting any time, let's begin. First of all, right click anywhere on the screen, click on New and create a PowerPoint presentation file. Open this file, click anywhere on the slide and go to the Home tab. In the Home tab, you can see the Add-ins option here. Click on Add-ins. In Add-ins, click on the search bar and type ChatGPT. If this does not show up for you, simply update your PowerPoint software. Now click on Add. Now this will show up. Click on Continue with ChatGPT. I will log in using my Gmail address. Now it will ask you for your password. Once you enter your login details, this will show up. Click on I understand. Click anywhere and click on Next. You can skip this part as well. Now let me show you how to create the perfect presentation using ChatGPT. You can change appearance of your ChatGPT extension from here. Click on the three dots. Click on Appearance. And you can select the dark theme from here. Now to create a presentation, I can add sample data from here. Now I will use this prompt to create an overview. You can choose a model between fast, standard and heavy. If you need a small, quick presentation, you can choose a fast model. Otherwise, you can choose the standard or heavy option. Click on this button to continue. Now it will start creating material for your presentation. For the first time, it will ask you for your permission. Click on Always Allow. Now ChatGPT will give you a response after a few minutes where you can review the response before creating the slides on the PowerPoint presentation. Now if I like everything before creating the presentation, let me show you a quick hack. Click on the plus icon and click on the Skills tab. In here, click on Skill Creator. You can use this function to create a default instruction for ChatGPT for every presentation. Now after selecting Skill Creator, type any instructions for ChatGPT you want to include in every PowerPoint. Click on Send. Once it has been created, click on Save Skill. Once it has been saved, I can access it from the plus icon. Go to Skills. And here all of your skills will be saved. Now let's create our deck or slides. And I will choose the skill I just created to let ChatGPT know what I want to create. Click on Send. Now after about 2 minutes, our slides have been created. And ChatGPT has given them an executive touch according to the skill we added in the prompt. Thank you for watching guys. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this.